Hi everyone, my name is Neil McMillan. This is my mobile workshop tool trailer that I use to go out and do woodworking jobs, build houses, remodel, all the usual contractor type stuff. On this side of the trailer is a Raycon bandsaw 306 and a Dewalt miter saw. On this side also are all my cordless Dewalt tools, the 60 and 20 volt microwave, and all my hand tools in the drawers here. Up above are the stop system for the miter saw, some bars, levels, and my tracks for my track saw are up there. Hanging in the back there are my cordless nail guns and the drills and drivers. Coming around to this side, I have this flip-up table that acts as a work support on this side. When I'm not using the bandsaw, of course, it slides in, and that gives me plenty of room to have material run out that direction, and also for my work supports that clip on that end of the trailer. On the back side, I have a Dewalt Planer and a Raycon mortising machine. I'm an old-time furniture maker, make custom shelves, drawers, mortise and tenon, a little bit of everything. I use these centipede stands and some worktops just to slide in the middle here to work as my workbenches when I get someplace. I have two of the 2x4 foot tracks or leg systems and 3 tops, and by spreading them out I can put have a 15-foot long table. All these tools are on just regular drawer glides that slide out. On this one I have these spring pins that go down into the glide surface there. Coming around on this side, I have a small grizzly spiral carbide tipped joiner and my Dewalt table saw. The table saw and the miter saw clip off of using the original stand system, and I do carry the stands with me most of the time. Up in the front of the trailer I have this semi V-nose storage compartment. In there I've got my compressor and all the power cables and air hoses and all that, and a couple of smaller tools like this little sander from Harbor Freight, and also this run-out board here, this piece of plywood clips onto the front of the table saw. On top of the trailer I've built a rack system, and the rack system, I saw similar ones on trailers being built in Australia, a company called SMU and another one called Uprising Engineering. Those trailers are based on it seems like an older design that Australian tradesmen use. And what else about this? I built this all on a trailer that was a car hauling trailer. The aluminum trailer from 1976 that was in good shape. And then I built all the upper structure on top of it myself. If you have any questions or comments, I know Ron Palk put out a video back in January about a tooltrailers.com trailer that I used to own that allowed him to walk up to the trailer and do all his functions without having to go inside the trailer and pull tools out and set them up. That's kind of the idea that I was working on when I was building this trailer. Started at the first of the year. Please leave some comments and let me know if maybe you might want to see some plans or some build pictures that I have or dimensions or any of that. Thank you.